Hi everyone, this course is designed to make it easier for you to learn Node.js, where we have prepared basic lessons that explore the Node.js fundamental, along with examples which are widely used in real applications these days. Some of you might wonder what Node.js is. I'll give you a quick overview about how JavaScript looked like back in the day. Before Node.js was created, JavaScript codes were only executed on a web browser. Therefore, web developers needed to learn different programming languages to develop front-end and back-end applications. No matter how sophisticated and powerful JavaScript was, it would only be used on the front-end side until 2009. Ryan Dell succeeded in creating Node.js, a technology that many web developers expected, which gained high popularity. Now let's get back to our previous questions. So what is Node.js? Node.js is an open source and cross-platform runtime environment for JavaScript built on Chrome's V8 JavaScript engine, which runs on a server and not just limited to the browser environment, which means we can actually run JavaScript codes anywhere. Alright, at one point you might start to wonder why people choose Node.js. Since there are so many Node.js alternatives out there, such as Java, PHP, Ruby, and Golang, but why people choose Node.js? Okay, first of all, because it is easy. With tons of tutorials out there, a large community, Node.js has become a go-to choice for web developers, especially beginners. And Node.js is very scalable. What does it mean? It means, you can handle a massive number of simultaneous connections with high throughput and provides vast scalability for application because it is single-threaded. And also Node.js is maintainable. It's an easy choice for developers since both the front end and back end can use JavaScript. And also don't forget the speed. With non-blocking thread execution, it makes Node.js fast and efficient. And come along the packages. It has a very fast set of open source packages which is available that can simplify your work. Up to this day, there are more than 1 million packages in the NPM ecosystem. And also it is multi-platform, which allows you to create websites, both desktop application and also mobile applications. So what is Express.js? Express.js is a very popular small framework that's built on Node.js web server functionality. To simplify its APIs, and it has come with a lot of helpful new features which makes it easier to organize your application's functionality with middleware and routing. So when we use Express.js, it takes less coding time as compared to using Node.js to write the same codes, which definitely requires more coding time. Aside from that, it's much easier to use Express.js to write code than using Node.js. That's because Express.js has simplified the API to build websites, web apps, as well as backends. So you don't have to worry about the low-level protocols, processes, etc. Alright, we will unleash the power of Express.js throughout our courses. I'll see you in the next video.